Welcome back. In this session, we are going to understand another scenario, returning without a return PO. See, there may be cases we place the purchase order, we receive the goods. This receipt is conditional. If item is okay, I am going to accept it. Otherwise, I will reject this. So at this point, I don't want to create any financial postings at the time of receipt. Then what I will do, I will receive these goods as a non-valuated GR with the movement type 103. If we found any defect in this, then we are going to return the same with the movement type 124, 124. Now go and create a new material master. Else we can use the same material master used here. Now go to SAP and create a purchase order. ME21N. Here take this vendor, material, same material. Here I want to procure 250 stock. Storage location. Save this. Next step is to release this purchase order. Here this is for second scenario, PO, non-valuated. Go to ME29N, change this, release this PO, save this. Now next step is to MIGO, receive the goods, goods receipt, press enter. Goods receipt, purchase order. See, we need to remove this 103. This is non-valuated. GR into blocked stock. Quantity, item is okay. Check this. Post this. Material document posted. Click on display. Enter. FI document. See, there is no FI document generated here. So I want to see this material document. What is the material document? Go to MB03. Press enter. This is the posted document for MM side. We don't have any financial posting. If item is not okay, we want to return from here itself. So now let us check what is the stock position. Go to MMBE. Enter here plant. Execute this. Now check. See here. GR posted to blocked stock. If stock is not okay, I want to return this to the vendor. So in that case, without creating the purchase order, we need to return this with 124 moment type. Go to MIGO. Here, goods receipt. Select purchase document. That is purchase order. Here we need to use 124. Select this item is okay. Check this. Enter a reason for movement. Select the reason. Press F4. Maybe we don't have any reason for movement. This is a mandatory field. Remove this. maybe we need to create this reason for movement. Why we are returning this? For 103 we have this reason. Check this. Since it is a mandatory requirement, we cannot proceed further. We need to create a reason code for 124 movement type. What we will do, we are going to create a reason for this 124 movement type. Cancel this. Go to this Excel. This is the T code, OMBS. Open another session. Press enter. Click on this one, reason for movement. Click on new entries. 124 reason damaged goods. Save this. Now close this. Press F4. See, here we are getting this. Check for consistency. Document is okay. Post this. Go to display. Press enter. This FI document information, nothing will be posted since it is a non-validated posting. Now go and check the stock. See, right now I have 215 blocked stock. I will refresh this. See, it got disappeared. We have successfully returned the stock to vendor. Hope you understand this. If you like this course, don't forget to write a review. In the next step, we will understand this return with return purchase order.